Hey, it's Farhan again. Today I will talk about an inverted index. So the first question is, what is inverted index and why do we call inverted not just because it's index and why do we need it? Alright. In computer science, an inverted index, also referred to as postings file or inverted file, is an index data structure storing a mapping from content, such as words or numbers, to its locations in a database file or in a document or a set of documents. The purpose of an inverted index is to allow fast, full text searches at cost of increased processing when a document is added to the database. The inverted file may be the database file itself rather than its index. It is the most popular data structure used in document retrieval system used on a large scale, for example in search engines. Alright. They called it inverted just because there is already a forward index over here. It is very useful for search engine query processing and it allows finding the document that word occurs. The question number 2. Create a document count and a position inverted index. So for this answer, we have to have a proper document. So over here, I have a document 1 with some words called buffalo and document 2 which is buffalo are mammals. For the document 1, see very carefully that some buffalo has in uppercase B and some has in lowercase b. Alright, for constructing an inverted index, we can make a table like this with 4 columns. First one is the word, second one is for the document, third one is for the count, and fourth one is for the position. My first word is the buffalo with uppercase B. It appears both in document 1 and document 2. So I have written over here document 1 and 2 for the document column. It appears only 3 times. 1 here, 2 here, and 3 over here. So sorry, here. So that's why I have written the first word as a 3. Is 2. This one is for the document 1. And is 2 in document 2 it appears only 1 time, so I just write here only 1. The position here for the first document, it appears on the first, third, and the 7th position of the document, and in the document 2 it appears on the first, so that's why I have written here 1. Same goes for the buffalo with the lowercase b. It appears only 1 time in the document, it appears in the document 1 4 times. So the position is 2nd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. The third word is buffalo with full stop at the end. It appears only 1 time in the document 1. The position is at the last, which is the 8th position. The word R appears in document 2 over here in 2nd position. The words mammals with full stop appears in document 2 as well, only 1 time and in the last position, so I have written here 3. So this is the count and position inverted index. Question number 3. What sort of data structure inverted index exhibit and why? Linked list, hash map, binary tree. These 3 sort of data structures basically inverted index exhibit. Because for the linked list, assume a set of documents. Each document is assigned a list of keywords or attributes with the optional relevance words associated with each keyword attribute. An inverted file is then the short list or index of keywords attributes, which each keyword having links to the documents containing that keyword. This is the kind of index found in the most commercial library systems. So that's why linked list is very important for inverted index. For the binary tree, is another implementation structure for an inverted file. For example, a special case of binary tree, the prefix binary tree uses a prefixes of words as primary keys in a binary tree index and is particularly suitable for storage of textual indices. Each internal node has a variable number of keys. Each key is the shortest word in length that distinguishes the keys stored in the next level. The key does not need to be prefix of an actual term in the index. The last level of leaf level stores the keywords themselves along with the associated data, because the internal node keys and the length depends on the set of keywords. The other word size, or the order size of each node of the prefix binary tree is variable. Updates are done similarly to those for the binary tree to maintain a balanced tree. The prefix binary tree method breaks down if there are many words with the same long prefix. In this case, common prefixes should be further divided to avoid wasting space. So that's why binary tree is also important for the inverted index, and hashing could be done easily for the inverted index. Okay, the fourth question, give details on how web search engines use inverted index. Alright, search engine basically incorporate inverted index when evaluating a search query. It's locate documents containing the words in a query and rank the documents by row length. It's created an inverted index using the term, the word, the documents, and the count and position. Finally, the index determines whether a word exists with particular document or not. Thank you. That's all. Thanks for watching this video.